case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 2009, the United States v. Bailey case came before the United States Court of Appeals for the Eighth Circuit, wherein environmental law and property rights intersected in a legal dispute over the unauthorized construction on wetlands, a sensitive ecotone that's both fervently protected by the federal government and often fought over by developers. Gary Bailey, in defiance of the Clean Water Act, had built a road on a federally protected wetland without a permit. When ordered by the United States Army Corps of Engineers to restore the wetland, he firmly refused to do so. This action led to a lawsuit with the Corps, resulting in the district court ruling in favor of the federal government. Bailey vehemently protested the court's judgment and decided to appeal. Meanwhile, he also attempted a third-party lawsuit against the county, asserting that they were at fault. However, both his appeals and his extraneous lawsuit were dismissed. The courts found his arguments unsupported and lacking substantial evidence. The courts emphasized that his actions clearly fell afoul of the Clean Water Act. In the case, the court sought guidance from the precedent set by Rapanos v. United States. The ruling from this earlier case interpreted the term navigable waters under the Clean Water Act to include areas like wetlands that significantly affect the integrity of such waters. The federal jurisdiction over wetlands, defined by the Corps as areas inundated or saturated by water, was determined by using vegetation and hydrology indicators. Eventually, the court upheld the district court's decision. It ordered Bailey to restore the disturbed wetland at his personal expense. The rulings were a reminder of the far-reaching authority of the Clean Water Act and demonstrated the strict legal consequence of encroaching on protected wetlands. Bailey's actions and subsequent refusal to comply resulted in his legal defeat and a requirement to restore the violated wetland, which he had contested was a cost he should not bear. The case affirmed the Corps' jurisdiction over the wetland, punctuating the significant role federal environmental laws play in preserving and protecting our nation's natural resources.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.